My boy. Okay. Come with me.
Media Group from iHeartRadio and Extra Vision Radio. Thank you to our media sponsors.
Allá está en fila. Llegamos al Airshow.
Tony Baker was a big sponsor last night at Mavericks Lounge.
Aquí está el hombre más hermoso del mundo, más guapo. Y te trajiste, oh sí, yo sí, te trajiste tus lentes. Hermoso, mijo. ¿Qué dice?
Shop carpeting, hardwood tile floors.
Oh, las en escaneas, ¿verdad?
Cinderella Carpet One in Salinas.
Handsome.
All these people, we love them dearly.
Y aquí estoy yo. Ay, mi pelo.
You hear us name these great individuals in the companies.
Acá está mi hermoso hijo.
Como
pueden ver, ya creció.
In the services that they
Y mucho. Ya le anda saliendo bigote también. Y ya va a empezar el Airshow. ¿Dónde está? Oh, ahí está. Oh, pero ya es otra.
Airplane that's overhead now, the AT-6 Advanced Trainer.
Al ratito, si te quieres sentar en las sillas allá enfrente, nos podemos sentar también.
By a hurt.
What? No, you can use it. Looks good, isn't it?
He's about to go.
Oh, good. I want to watch him go. Maybe go okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're going to want to watch him take off.
Brad Worston making his way out to the runway. He's currently working with the Ryan J. Cole Foundation. The youth program called Elevate Your Life is the action arm of the foundation. It was founded by Airshow performer Greg Poe as a result of the tragic drug-related death of his son Ryan Poe back in 2002. Foundation mission: utilize aviation to inspire, motivate, and provide a path for young people to realize their dreams.
Another one. Here's another one. My pretty boy.
Craft. The L-39s.
I've counted up the cost. I know the sacrifice. Oh, and I don't want to die for you, but if that exists.
Two more to go.
Third element of two aircraft now lifting off the ground in front of you. They're going to go out and shake it up a little bit and reform and come back in. That gives us a couple of minutes to congratulate the Director of the Year. His name is Paul.
That's right. My name is Michael Smurf Temby, the voice of your 2024 Patriot Jet Demonstration Team. Folks, we are the only 6-ship, civilian-owned aerobatic jet team in North America. So proud to be with you here in Salinas today. Folks, if you're under that canopy eating food, grab your kids, come on out front. I got one question for you. Are you ready for an air show? Let's do it, Patriot style, year 2024. Patriots Jet Team. Now, folks, a little bit of these pilots today. Flying number 1. He's our founder. He's the man with the vision, the inspiration for this 6-ship jet team. None other than our founder, Randy Howler Howell. Flying number 2, setting the spacing for that Delta. He's an Alaskan bush pilot, an accomplished skydiver, a 747 captain, Rob Stash Hutchison. And at number 3, we've got our tail slide expert. He's a P-51 flight instructor out of Kissimmee, Florida. That's Stallion 51. Keep an eye. Look out to the beautiful Salinas. Partially cloudy blue skies. In the distance, you'll see that red, white, and blue smoke come on for the first of many incredible Patriots maneuver. But we're setting up for the Patriots loop, roll, and combo. Get your motor drives ready. Here we go, baby.
Bringing the noise, oh baby, we bringing our toys. Separate me from the boys. Chopper be singing, should be on the voice. Bang bang, we gon' ride out. Gang gang, we gon' die out. Running like this ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out. Rowdy, we get rowdy, 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 we be disturbing the peace. Working, we serving the streets. About to go ape, going beast. Bang bang, leave you sleep. Tick, tick, boom. Hard body, and not scared.
Now watch as Randy flies to that bottom of the loop. He'll call blue out ready now. Watch the 2 outriggers pull from that formation. Watch the red, white, and blue smoke. The diamond will now complete a roll.
Working, we serving the streets.
Look at that.
Bang, bang, leave you sleep.
As Sean would say, yeah, baby. We're in the air show business. Now watch the outriggers. I've got jet. With jet number 6 to the left. Intake will call smoke on ready now. Then he'll say turn back ready now. And watch as these 2 with over 700 miles an hour of closure rate for the first of many of Patriots opposing hits. Here we go. Let's do this.
Too late. Look.
Now, folks, look to the right. Watch this. We got our leader and our slot pilot. Watch as one rolls inverted. Canopy to canopy, Top Gun style.
Don't do that.
What would Maverick and Goose think? Yeah, that's a beautiful sight here in Salinas. Now watch number 1. He'll roll back upright. They'll pull into the vertical, into what we call the half Cuban. They're going to fly it back down across the show line.
It's coming.
But out in the distance to the right, we've got number 2 and number 3, the red jet and the blue jet to the right. Check out that beautiful blue and red smoke.
Over there.
Now watch, right here at Show Center, if the timing's right, for some more Patriots opposing hits. Let's do this, boys. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, look show left. Off to your left, we've got the blue jet, the red jet. Watch John Pawson as he flies that aircraft to 4,000 feet. He's going to shove that L-39 into reverse. The only L-39 airshow pilot to fly a tail slide. Now watch, he's got to be very careful, the proper angle to keep from flaming out. That's a beautiful one there. Now he's going to follow Stash. They're going to do what we call the Patriots squirrel cage. This will be 1.5 Barnstormer loops brought to you by none other than Dragonfly Films. Check them out. Let's get up there, boards. Stash is on top. Ladies and gentlemen, kids alike, are you having a great time in Salinas? I am so happy to see you parents got your kids off the couch, off the iPads, and out here to Salinas for some air show action. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I think you ought to get your cameras ready here shortly. Coming in from behind the crowd, look high above. Those beautiful bright white whaling tip tank lights. We got your Patriots 4-card crossover break. Oh, yes. Now watch as all 4 aircraft fly to all 4 corners of this sterile aerobatic box. They'll make another call. It'll be intake. He will call turn back ready now. Now, if the timing is right, pretty tough to get it just perfectly in these winds. We're gonna have a jet to the right, jet to the left. Once again, with over 700 miles an hour closure.
Okay, left or
Keep an eye
right?
on the jet on the left.
Nice.
Watch this hit right here, folks. It's coming your way. Oh, yes, sirree. That's what I'm talking about. Folks, to the right, we've got John Pawson for tail slide number 2. Watch as he shoves that aircraft into reverse. Boop. Boop. And there's number 2. What an entertaining air show. We've got jets in this aerobatic box at all times. That's a good tail slide, boards. Let's get some lift back under those wings. Watch as he flies down to the show line. He's gonna fly back across the show line to show left for tail slide number 3. Number 1 is in trail. Randy's gonna try to meet him at the top of that tail slide. Let's see if they can match their energy. Get up there, Randy, let's go. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good right there, guys. Oh, I love that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, cameras to the right. Put them on motor drive.
Where's my right?
We've got Sticky and Stash. Watch the red jet. He's going to pull for not 1, not 2, but 3 aileron rolls. Keep an eye on Sticky as he comes here to show center. He's going to roll that L39 up on knife edge. Here we go. And I am so proud to be able to be here performing with you guys, spending these 26 minutes. Look up above. This is 5 and 6 for the Shark's Tooth. There it is. So folks, out to the left, this is a maneuver that our 2 Thunderbird pilots on our team came up with years ago. What could be more appropriate while we're flying here today with the Air Force Thunderbirds? This is called the Thunderbird G-suit to keep from pulling in his lower extremities. Watch as he comes around to form the last half of the 8. Let's do this, Sticky. Here it goes. Keep an eye, get those motor drives ready right here, folks. This is a great shot. Hey folks, this maneuver right here, is for our air show organizers and every volunteer here. I'm not sure if you realize that the folks here working today with the Salinas Air Show shirts on are volunteers. They're here to make a difference for your families, for your community, and this heart goes out to Harry and his entire crew for putting together such an amazing air show. Just gotta love this. Hey, now watch to the left, watch to the right. We've got 5 and 6 once again. They're gonna roll it upside down. Let's go inverted.
Always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like I'm out of dumb. Never really need to be a part of them. Never be enough.
That is just amazing.
Get ready for it. This is it.
Yes, but that's not it. Look to the right for number 3 for the fast pass. Here we go. We're in the air show business, baby. We're having some fun in Salinas. Hey, photographers, get your cameras ready. Out in the distance on the right, we've got the slot and the leader back together again. This is called the beautiful Echelon Pass. This will be a mirror image. Depending on the winds, we could have 36 inches of overlap here. Take a peek. Your Patriots Echelon Pass. So Randy is going to call the 4 ships back together. They're going to form up in the diamond formation. And in just a brief moment, from behind, now remember, the pilot and trail, that's number 6. Making his debut here at Salinas as your Patriots number 6 pilot. The inputs on the controls here with these winds are incredible. Those boys are working really hard for you folks in Salinas today. We want to hear some noise for Corey Lovell. Yes, what a beautiful, beautiful sight. Now roll right here. Corey's call sign, we call him Zippy. Zippy's gonna pull from the formation. Out in the distance, you see the diamond flying. Zippy's gonna get set up. You can get the cameras. We're gonna get set up for the diamond in trail roll where Zippy tries to catch the formation in the middle of the roll. He's got to keep an eye on his energy. This is a big deal here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that bright white Wayland tip tank lights on those beautiful black shiny L39s. Yes, we are excited, folks. Get in there, Zippy, let's go.
Solito atrás.
Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I wasted. You were right there all along. You and I started.
He's in.
Ah, ya les quitó.
Folks, our number 1 goal here today is safety. Our number 2 goal is to make sure we're all enjoying this 26 minutes together. Are you guys having a good time in Salinas? Okay, we've got something special for you. I know you love those hits. So this is called the 5-on-5. Show left, we've got 5 aircraft, and we're missing number 5. You know, those Navy guys, you got to keep an eye on them. So right now, we're missing intake, and we're going to have a little game of chicken. How about 5 airplanes on one with over 700 miles an hour of closure? I've got 5 Patriot jets on the left. Ladies and gentlemen, look out to the right. Watch for number 5. The smoke is on now. Get the motor drives ready. Keep an eye for the 5-on-5 hit. Wow! That was impressive. That was impressive. So folks, we're going to get the 6th ship back together. While they get back together, so ladies and gentlemen, we're going to turn it down just a little bit here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about a formation that our United States Navy came out with in the 1930s. This formation is about honoring a fallen hero. It's called the... Patriots are here for the first time in 11 years in Salinas, and boy, are we proud to share this 26 minutes with you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Keep an eye out.
Where are they? Oh, okay. They are coming over there. Van a ir por arriba de nosotros, right?
Beast mode, we come to life, let it ride. Explode, see the smoke rise.
Váyanse para arriba ya. Oh my gosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out today. My name is Michael Smurf Temby, and I'm out. All right, thank you, Smurf. Thank you, my man. Folks, if you want to know who shot off that wall of fire, you know him. He's from Salinas. His name is Andrew Frizzell. He's from Sturdy Oil. And when you see him around Salinas this week, you tell him how much you appreciated him setting off that wall of fire. TV, while you're entertained, must be 21 or older to be there. No cover charge. No cover charge. If you need first aid, we hope you don't, but if you need a Band-Aid or ear protection, it's available. Presented by Salinas Valley Health. All things for you to do.
Agarrando comida. El amor no sé qué tanto agarró. Este es el del amor, el otro es mío. Yo agarré más, actually. Pero se mira bueno.
Anything that will burn, it stops there. And a series of airplanes can drop a
race on his left wing of the jet team, now into a completely different realm in terms of controls, torque that you don't have on a jet engine. Last available minutes of our waivered airspace to entertain you and I.
Va ganando la roja.
Days ago, extensive tests were done, a supposing role, by the EPA, and they determined it is no harm to the atmosphere. Closing maneuvers in flat, bearing down at a closure rate of about 180 miles an hour. Aircraft were meant to fly in the very harsh environmental weather of the USSR. They had features to keep the engines warm that we didn't have on our American aircraft.